Hey everyone, at Wireless Zone we're actually partnering up with a new product vendor called Ncredible, and here's their Bluetooth headphones. Here I'm about to do an unboxing. Has up to 15 minutes of playing time, Bluetooth connected, Bluetooth 4.0 technology, which is definitely nice. It's one of the more recent technologies there, less latency and such. So here's all the information, right? It supports both Android and iOS. It also comes with a, like it will support up to 30 feet of, of distance between you and the source of the music. Has play, pause, and other features on there as well. And you could also take calls through it, so that's pretty nice as well. So this is the box, and we're going to go ahead and open the box. Okay, once we remove the plastic on the outside, we can just slide this out here. And this will just come out. And then here you have this little flap here. Just pull that open. And it comes with a nice carrying case here. A nice, I don't know what material this is, but it's kind of that soft material. It's got a nice little logo on there, Ncredible. And, that's the packaging, which is, much nicer than I thought it would be. Put that aside. And then it also comes with an instruction manual right there. And that's what's in the box itself. Now we'll go ahead and open this bag here. It has a nice zipper on it. Also has a handle of sorts that looks like you can also open and attach it around a bag or something like that. So that's pretty nice. We'll go ahead and open this up here. Now I'm going to go ahead and pull the headphone. Now I'm going to pull this out of the packaging here. And they fold up nicely, almost kind of like a Beats or something like that. So, well, nicely folded. And then you can open it up all the way. And it has... Now on the top you can see where it says Ncredible right there. Okay, and then over here on this side, it has a little symbol right there, the logo. Nice cups, they definitely fit around your ear. And on this side you have all the controls. On the top you have a power button. On the left and right you have forward and reverse. And on the bottom you have a phone, play and pause. So down here you also have a little jack if you wanted to hook the thing up with a wire, with a cable. And have it as hardwired in case the power, in case you weren't able... Or I would assume in case, you ran out of power, you'd probably still be able to use it non-powered. So that's that. And then also inside the bag comes that cable there. So there's your power cable as well as your jack to go into the headphones to put it into a phone, as well into a larger jack port right there, depending on your source. So that's the packaging. That's the device. Let us know what you think. I'd be happy to kind of hear what your thoughts are about this device. Thanks for watching, and consider subscribing, and then definitely post any comments below. Thanks.